Hello, here have a block blast, okay, how to use glitch, okay. We are going to the block blast game, okay, you wait, and here we are going to the classic. Okay, here you, for the glitch, you put this, okay, in the corner, okay, this in the corner and this in the other corner, okay. Go to the settings, and here in the settings we are going to the section replay and you play, okay. Here, okay, you put this here, okay, and this here and here, okay. You put this in the here, okay, and we are going to the settings and replay, okay, and here you put this in the corner, okay, and here have a glitch, okay, for the block blast, okay. Here have a other glitch in the 25 year, okay. Bye bye.